Good morning students. My name is Shashwat Sakre. In this video I will show you how to write physical education practical records for grade 11th and 12th. There are two methods to write practical records. First one is the loot sheets and the second one is the ready-made practical records. For reference you can use lab manual. Let's get started.
Now let's start with the practical record writing. So at the very first we will start with the ready-made practical record. In the ready-made practical record it is very easy because everything is given already in the practical record. Starting with the certificate, hold this certificate to write the certificate at last. Before writing the certificate you should complete your practical record. Second thing is the index part. Index part is also to be written after the practical record is written because it will be needing your page number along with the titles. So to avoid mistakes you should write the index at the last. Third part is the main practical record writing. So we will start it from here. So at the very first we will write the history. Before writing the history you should select a game. So here we had selected the game basketball and we are going to write about the history of basketball. Second is the history. We had taken the subject like a basketball for writing your practical record. So at the very first you have to write the history of basketball. History is easily available on Google and some sites at the Google, and even you can write history copy from there. Write history in more than 250 words. After history you are supposed to write about rules and regulation for the selected game. I had written the game basketball. Here is the code dimension. You can also add a picture of the particular sports whatever you are going to select. As I had selected basketball and I had pasted a code dimension photo of basketball. You can do it with the game you had selected for your choice. Next is the fundamental skill of basketball. There are number of fundamental skills of basketball I had covered in this record. Next part is the officials required. So every games required different officials. You have to cover that part for the selected game. I had selected as basketball and I had written the required officials for basketball. Next is referee hand signal. As you know there are number of different signals given by the referee for particular game. So you are supposed to paste the pictures of that particular sport with the referee's hand signals. Next is the photos or the pictures you can add more to the next paper. If you are pasting the pictures on the particular one page, it's okay. It can be possible to paste more photographs or pictures if you have. The last part is the tournaments. Every game you had writing about have some particular tournaments in national and international level, so you have to mention that tournaments. Once you are done with all these things, you are supposed to write the page numbers at the papers from the first page number 1, that is from the history part. Once you start with the page number, continue it till the last paper. Once you are done with the page numbers, now it's the time to write the index. So we have to come to the first page of index. Here it is. So now we have to write the every topic what we had covered in our practical record along with the page numbers. Now here, as we had written the index, as we had covered the points in the sequence in the practical record. As we had written here the history, we had written history as the first one. So it is in the sequence. After history we had written the rules and regulation, and so on with the code, dimension, fundamental skills, official required, referee hand signals and tournaments. We had covered all this part. Now we are coming to the end part of the practical record writing, that is the certificate part. Now certificate may be differ from every publications or maybe as per your school's need. So in the certificate you are supposed to write your name, your father's name, your class, your section, roll number and the section, and it depends upon what the certificate is provided to you from the school or from the college side. Thank you very much. Now we are came to the end, and this is the practical record we are done with. Now we came to the second part of this video, that is practical record writing in the loose papers, and where you can file it in a transparent plastic file. This is also a traditional method where everyone used to write practical records in this type of practical record instead of writing on the ready-made practical records. So here is the process how to write the practical record in the loose papers. At the very first you are supposed to select the topic, as I had selected the topic of basketball here. This is the front page of your practical record. Second page is your certificate. You can write your certificate along with your name, your class and the details required. Next is the index part. Next, in the page we had started with the history of basketball. This is the history of the basketball. We have to write the history of basketball or any selected game in 250 to 300 words. I had written this history in only one page just for your reference. Second topic, that is rules and regulations. Here rules and regulations also I had covered in the only first page. For your reference you can add more rules and regulations to this topic. Next topic is official required. Official required I had mentioned, so officials whatever required in basketball, you can add more officials if at all there are required, it is there. Next is player position. Player position may be differ from game to game that you had selected, as we had selected for basketball, and I had mentioned player and positions for basketball. Even though you can add some pictures on the left side of the paper to show the players and positions accordingly. Next part of your practical record is court dimension. I had not posted any picture here in the court dimension. You can paste picture here on the left side, even on the right side for court dimension. Next is fundamental skill. Fundamental skills can be written in more than one page. I had written it in one page just for your reference. You can add more fundamental skills as per the games you had selected. Last part, that is tournament. You can write tournaments, whatever tournaments are there, international, national level of the particular game whichever you had selected. We came to the end of the topic. Here what the last thing is, you have to mention page numbers once you write the topics and the details about the topics. And at last you are supposed to write your names on the certificate if you had not written it prior writing to the certificate. Thank you. This is the part we had covered, how to write the practical record in the loose papers. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.
These are the two methods to write practical records. Stay connected with our Sports Champ for more physical education and sports related videos. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.